Shift 3 Essential Training, Lecture 11, Tuples or Tuples. Tuples group multiple values into a single compound value. The values within a tuple can be of any type and do not have to be of the same type as each other. For example, let HTTP 404 error equal 404 not found. A description. The 404 not found tuple group together an integer and a string to give the HTTP status code two separate values, a number and a human readable description. It can be described as a tuple of type integer and string. You can create tuples from any permutation of types. You can decompose a tuple content into a separate constant or variable, which you then access as usual. For example, let status code, comma, status message equal HTTP 404 error, which we describe as a tuple above. Print the status code is the status message. Now you can see in the console window the status code is 404. The status message is status message. If you only need some of the tuple's values, ignore part of the tuple with an underscore when you decompose the tuple. Like let just get just the status code, comma, underscore. I ignore the value status message equal HTTP 404. Alternatively, access the individual element values in a tuple using index number starting as 0, like print HTTP 40.0 index. It will print 404. It will access the value 404. And same dot 1 access the not found. You can name the individual elements in a tuple when the tuple is defined. Let's create another tuple. Let HTTP 200 status equal status code 200 and description okay. If you name the elements in a tuple, you can use the element names to access the values of those elements. Tuples are particularly useful as the return values of the functions. A function that tries to retrieve a web page might return the integer and string tuple type to describe the success or failure of the page retrieval.